attention.
See, this is what I mean.
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh, why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Eunice. Today's video is going to be on this Bantu knots, but head over to my Instagram to find out how I put them in. This video is just going to explain how I took them out in the safest way possible. So let's just jump right in. If you hear noises in the back, my best friend is on FaceTime with me, so she's here. I'm gonna use this all-in-one oil by the Curl Connect to oil my fingers before I take the Bantu knots out.
Lubrication.
Correct. Because I trimmed my hair a few weeks ago, the end of my hair is a bit blunt, so I had to use elastic bands to secure the Bantu knots in place. However, taking them out needs to be safe because your hair will rip out if you're rough with it. So I'm going to zoom in at this part and show you guys how I take it out in the safest way possible, because what we don't want is breakage.
Absolutely.
I'm going to oil my fingers first. This also helps release any hairs that may be around the elastic bands come apart. Some oil on my hands, rubbing it.
Get the fingertips.
Just get it everywhere because your hair is going to be everywhere. Your hands are going to be everywhere. And then I'm going to start unraveling.
Start at the front so we can see.
Okay. So the bands should just easily fall out of your hands. I'm going to do one at the front so you can see how I actually do it. Just twisting my hands in the opposite direction that you twist the Bantu knots in. So you're not disturbing the band and you're not pulling at your hair. So the band is just sitting at the root and then you just safely bring it down. This is how I do it. So this is the band and you can see there's no hair, there's nothing on there, just oil. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on doing that to my whole head. If you follow my Instagram, you would know that when I first put this in, I had to get up at like 12 a.m. to take this out because I could not sleep. Only because I tied a rubber band around it twice. So I first put a band on the base and then I twisted it and then I put another one to secure the Bantu knot. But I did it too tight, so I had to like remove them and put them in without putting the band on the base. I'm gonna add a bit more oil. If you have enough oil on your hands, that's fine, but I'm adding a bit more. And then I'm just gonna rub it together. I mean, like, depending on what video you've watched, some people say that like separate the curls where it naturally wants to separate, but I like big hair, so I'm just gonna like separate it. Just separate how it wants to separate. All the way. Like I said earlier in the video, go over to my Instagram to find out how I put the Bantu knots in. I'm trying to get to 7k on there, so help your girl out and go over, give me a follow, show some love. And if I'm not on YouTube, I'm most likely on Instagram because it's like instant Instagram. It's quicker to get content out on there. So if you miss me on here, you most likely find me on there. The video on Instagram, you can see exactly what product I used to achieve the curl and all the good stuff. I want to get into some good shows on Netflix. If you guys are watching anything right now that you can recommend, then comment down below and let me know. I was starting to watch Ozark, but I don't know how I feel about it yet. Have you guys watched it? Have you guys seen it? What are your current thoughts on it? Is it worth following through? A lot of people really don't like frizz, but I don't mind it. I feel like frizz adds to the beauty of the hair. So okay, so I've separated all the curls, but obviously this is not good enough for me. I love big hair. I'm gonna pick it out, I'm gonna fluff it out, I'm gonna get it to the level that I want it to be at, get away with separating some more, and I'm gonna get my pick and really just go to town, okay? So this is the finished look. I really want to pick it out some more, but I'm just gonna let it do what it do now. I am satisfied with this, but as the days go on, I know it's gonna get bigger, so I'm still going. I just want more. I want more. I want more. Okay, this is enough for me for the moment, but this is how it turned out. I can't stop touching my hair. It is just so, the color and everything, wow, an absolute queen, an absolute queen. Okay, so that completes the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It is nice and quick, so let me know what you thought down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video.